She was banned from this store and came back anyway. Watch what happens next.
Haven't they trespassed you for me?
No, this lady in here. They're talking to this lady in here. Not me.
Lady at 18, she was previously trespassed from the property. She came back, I just advised her to leave, and she's not.
Do you want to press charges?
We just want her, yeah.
So you do want to press charges? I mean, she's going to go to jail.
Huh?
She's going to jail. Okay. Come on. You know you're not supposed to be here?
No, I don't have a trespass here.
You do, Pamela.
No, I don't.
You do, I'm
Someone
telling
came
you.
in here and told me he had a problem. He had a Western Union, and they wouldn't wait on him.
Okay.
I don't have a trespass here.
Pamela, you
I
do.
have an account here.
Oscar 223 headquarters.
You're trespassed.
You must have somebody else.
That might be a call back on
I
the
don't
15.
have a trespass
You
here.
do. You do, Pamela.
No,
You can't
don't
leave.
touch me.
You can't leave, okay?
No, don't tell me
You're
what
gonna-
to
you're
do.
gonna- no,
Get out of my way.
Pamela,
Get out of my way.
Pamela, you're going
I
to jail
have
now,
an
okay?
account here.
Pamela, you're going to jail.
I'm
okay?
not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Get out of my way.
No, there's nowhere.
Get out of my way.
Pamela, relax.
I'm not gonna relax. You touch me. Don't touch me.
Pamela?
Get out of my way. I don't know who you are.
Pamela?
Who you're talking to.
Stop.
All
Relax.
right. Don't tell me
Pamela.
I have a
I don't want to
trespass.
throw you down on the ground, okay?
Yeah, you try.
Just calm
Okay?
down, okay?
Okay, I'll calm down.
All right, put your hands on your back.
No, I'm not going to.
Pamela,
Let me go.
you're going to jail.
Let me go, buddy.
Put your hands on your back.
Let me go.
Put your hands on your back.
Buddy,
Pamela,
don't fucking touch me.
now you're getting a charge, okay?
No, you're gonna get a charge. You have no right.
Come on.
Let me go. Buddy, watch
your
it,
hands
buddy.
Put your hands
Watch
on your
it,
back. Pamela.
buddy. Watch it, buddy. Where's the paperwork for trespass? I'll talk. Buddy,
Just relax.
I'll talk, buddy. How can I have a trespass if I have an account here?
Pamela,
Okay?
relax.
I'll relax then. Okay? I just said I'll talk. Get my bag. How can I have a trespass?
go. Relax.
Get my back and I'll relax.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax. Relax.
I'll relax and talk to you. Get my bag and follow
Why
me.
you come? We're gonna get your bag. Don't worry.
All right.
Pamela, you're normally calm.
Yes, I don't have
You never give me an issue.
All right,
Why are
but-
you giving me an issue today?
Because you're bodily harming me.
No, I'm not.
I don't have a trespass
Pamela,
here.
Pamela.
I have an account
Pamela,
here.
you're a trespass, okay?
I don't have any paperwork.
Okay.
You have somebody
Okay, come on.
uncomfortable.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it off.
All right, can we talk?
No. Come on.
Until you pull up the paperwork.
Nope.
Get my pocketbook.
Pamela, stop.
Get my fucking pocketbook.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna
Get
get it.
it now.
Pamela.
Where's the paperwork? Where's the fucking paperwork, buddy?
No, 3497.
Get my pocketbook. You act like this, buddy. My pocketbook's in there with my ID.
36 headquarters. Show me.
Officer,
Whiskey Foxtrot.
I don't have a trespass here.
Yeah, for 1932 hours.
Where's the paperwork? That's all I said. Get my pocketbook.
Is this wig on you all the way?
Will you please stop
Is
it?
this wig on you all the
Let
way?
me go and I'll talk. Stop it. Let me go and I'll talk. My pocketbook's in there. It fell over
Relax,
the
Pamela.
All right.
Calm down.
All right, but I don't.
Pamela, you're never like this. You're always very
Yes,
cordial.
but I want you to look it up. I
No,
don't.
you
I
are
was in there
trespassing.
yesterday.
They have a paper, okay?
It's not
Why
me.
not
It's somebody else.
Pamela, it's you. I know
I
who
didn't
you are.
sign a paper.
You don't have to sign a paper, okay?
Will
They
you
want to
get my
press charges.
pocketbook?
They ask you to leave. You refuse to leave.
Can I get my pocketbook?
I'm gonna get it.
And I want
promise.
you to show me. I was in there yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, it wasn't me. It was somebody using my name. I have an account here. If you want me trespassed here, I'll cancel the account. My pocketbook's in there, over the counter. I want it. All right, why are you
Pamela,
arresting me?
chill
For
out.
trespass?
You're always very
Because
cordial. Today you've
there's
been nasty.
100 people using my name.
Pamela,
I'm under
you're being
federal
nasty
investigation.
Pamela, you're being real nasty.
Yes,
for no
because
reason.
everywhere I go, they're telling me I'm doing stuff and it's not me.
Pamela, you know it was you.
Oh, all right, just get my pocketbook.
Hold on, I'm trying to get this
You
out.
can't arrest me for
Pamela,
trespassing.
you're getting arrested. Okay?
I'm not getting arrested. Get somebody else. Get my pocketbook for my ID. And that's all my stuff. I don't want it stolen. Get my pocketbook. I'm not getting arrested for trespassing. I had no reason. I didn't have anything to do. Nobody said nothing to me. You got somebody else. Go get my pocketbook. And I'll get my ID.
Is your ID in your
It's probably
pocketbook?
somebody that doesn't have my ID of Florida. That's all I'm saying. If you don't want me in there, I'll cancel the account. I'm leaving in 2 days.
Oh, where you going?
I'm going back to New York.
To New York?
Yes, but I was in
I've
there
seen it.
yesterday.
I've
It wasn't
seen
me,
it here.
buddy.
I've seen
It
you
was
here
somebody
for a
else.
long time. I don't
Huh?
think...
Evil? I don't understand, but I'm under federal investigation. There's 100 people using my name.
You have a pocket? You have a pocket? You have any pockets?
No, there's
Yeah, I'm gonna put 'em
you're
back.
not listening to me.
Listen, relax, okay?
I'm gonna relax if you listen to me.
Okay.
All right,
Do you have
so
any weapons on you?
no, my pocket's
Listen
my
here.
ID. You can check, buddy. I don't have a trespass here.
Area check for a group of 8 subjects, 2 adults,
There's
plus 2 children
100 people
panhandling at the
using my
intersection.
name. Stop it! You're not gonna arrest me for that.
Sorry, 2-3.
Is that weight caked on you?
Yes, it doesn't come
Bring
off.
copies back from Charlie 7.
Just get my pocketbook and look up my ID. I just came in from Savannah. Okay, I don't even know what you're talking about. I was here 2 days ago. They got 100 people using my name. I've been in Sheriff Orange County, the front doors. I'm under federal investigation. They're all over the place. They don't know what kind of ID, but get my pocket, you can look it up. And we'll talk. And we'll talk. And we'll talk. So the thing is, if they want me trespassed here,
Watch out. Let me get your cuffs.
hold on.
Let me get your cuffs, okay?
If they want me trespassed here, when I go to New York,
Charlie 51, Fairrose, reference this, please.
it's probably because they got 100 people using my name, okay? Do you understand?
Pamela, they know who you are, okay?
No, they don't. I
You
just got in.
live right here. You live on Colonial and John
No,
Young.
I just got in from Savannah. I did it in Savannah.
Pamela, I've seen you plenty of. I know who you are.
Buddy, you're not listening to me. Listen,
Curtis Charlie 3, 1065.
if they want, I want my pocketbook.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna
They're
get it.
not gonna arrest me for trespassing.
Yes, you are.
No, come on. Get my pocketbook. I'm gonna hate your guts.
I'm gonna get your pocketbook, I promise.
Okay, they got 100 people using money. Let them have like 60. I'm gonna lose everything. Asshole!
Pamela, come on, just get in the car.
Get my pocketbook.
Go inside.
Get the fuck away from me.
Sit down.
Get my fucking
Sit
pocketbook.
down, Pamela.
I'll cancel every fucking account in the United States.
You're
Get
going to
my
jail now.
fucking
You're
pocketbook.
going to jail. Can you get a register right there real quick? I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm gonna get them started on a statement.
Bravo 35, headquarters.
Can't see that there. What's the address here? I forgot it.
2609.
2609. Okay.
West Colonial.
Yeah.
I don't physically have my driver.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. What's good phone number here? You got the time real quick? You have the time real quick? The time?
The time?
Yeah.
7:42.
Okay. So 1942. All right. So just right there. You see the gray box? Like right. Yeah, this one right here. Just put your print your name right here, and then today at such and such time you observed Pamela Sears, who was trespassed on July 8th. On paper, you asked her. Did you ask her to leave?
Yes.
You asked her to leave, She refused to leave. You call police and you wish to press charges on behalf of Amscot. And that's pretty much it. And that's it. Nope, not that. And then I just think that one, I'm going to give you a new trespass warning. Because it'll be for 1 year from today. You want to press charge? You want to trespass her again, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is going to be the one she violated. So this one goes to like the state attorney's office with me, and then my partner is going to sign a new trespass for her.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Alrighty. And one last thing, can you do a new trespass warning? I'm gonna just start taking her to jail. Yeah, for the same occasion.
Pamela Jane Sears was placed under arrest at Amscot Financial. She was charged with 3 counts: trespass on property after warning, battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting an officer with violence. If you made it this far, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more real body cam footage. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axion Cam and hit the notification bell.